Go ahead.
the meat.
Meat.
So if the spirit of the animal may transfer to the person eating the meat, but it's only the nefesh level, while the neshama level gets elevated and the ilgul that may be trapped there gets released.
Yes. Yeah, that's it. That's it. You said it. You said it. So even this you see when they kill animal in a non-kosher way, so it takes some time for animal to die. How long time? So they did the research, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. They shoot them in the head with electricity, with a gun, with a sledgehammer, whatever they do, right? And when they do that, so as a natural reaction of preservation, so animal would I don't know what's the word, spill this vermin into their system. You understand? So this meat of non-kosher animals is contaminated to begin with. You understand? And kosher animals, they do the shechita. It's so fast, so the animal dies instantaneously. Meaning what? Like few seconds. That's it. And it cannot do the same. Right. So that's why the kosher meat is pure. Okay. What else?
For me, that's all.
Okay. No problem.